Hey everyone, welcome back to another video session by Simplilearn. In this tutorial, we will be learning about Kotlin Multiplatform. The Kotlin Multiplatform is a software development kit which is designed to simplify the development process of cross-platform mobile applications. Now before we begin, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to never miss an update. So let's go ahead and understand what we will be covering today. So we'll start with what is Kotlin Multiplatform, then we'll understand how Kotlin Multiplatform works, then we'll understand common Kotlin code, and after that we'll have a look at benefits of Kotlin Multiplatform, and at last we'll understand some applications that are built using Kotlin Multiplatform. So without further ado, let's get started. So first is, what is Kotlin Multiplatform? The Kotlin Multiplatform is a feature released in 2017 with Kotlin 1.2 version. This feature allows us to write the same code on multiple platforms directly. It focuses on cross-platform app development. It is based on the idea of write once, run anywhere approach. But it takes the concept of write once, run anywhere to a much higher level, in which we can write the code once and target multiple platforms. The Kotlin multi-platform allows you to include other platforms like Linux, Windows, and the web, while its subset, that is Kotlin multi-platform mobile, allows the developer to write business logic code for iOS and Android from a single code base. Now, as we have understood what is Kotlin Multiplatform, now let's understand how Kotlin Multiplatform works. So let's take Android and iOS. The shared business logic code for Android gets converted to Java bytecode that can be executed in JVM. And Android has the virtual machine, so it can easily run it. But in case of iOS, there is no virtual machine. So the code is converted to the native code that can be executed on iOS. Now in Kotlin compiler, there is a front end which converts the code into intermediate representation known as IR. And the backend converts that intermediate representation to machine executable code. So in case of Android, it converts it into Java bytecode, and for iOS, it converts it into iOS native machine code. So as we have understood how Kotlin multi-platform works, now let's understand common Kotlin code. To make common Kotlin code run, Kotlin provides platform-specific compilers. To convert the code according to different platforms, it provides different compilers. These platform-specific versions include Kotlin/JVM, Kotlin/JavaScript, and Kotlin/native. These versions contain the platform-specific tools and libraries and also the extension to Kotlin language. Each platform-specific version includes various platforms. For example, JVM includes Java 8, Java 6, and Android. Then the JavaScript includes browser and Node. The native includes iOS, Mac, Windows, Linux, etc. Multi-platform libraries helps in developing shared parts of the project at one area by providing APIs for common Kotlin code and later share it with all of the target platforms. The versions of platform-specific libraries provide the libraries that can be used to increase the platform-specific capabilities of the platforms that are targeted. Now, let's understand the benefits of Kotlin multiprogramming. So let's start with the first one, which is quick and clean code. In Kotlin Multiplatform, we don't have to recreate and rewrite the code for different platforms. We can simply share the common code between platforms, which saves a huge amount of time. Features like interoperability makes things very easy and quick as well. Also, there is no lagging behind the native platforms, and because of that, the developers don't have to wait until the new features are added for the support. Next is fast development. So as we have already discussed that code sharing saves a lot of time and helps in making the development process much faster and easier. Its features including null safety, IDE support, and interoperability with Java makes it less complex and fast. Next is one language for cross-platform and native apps. Most cross-platform app development tools don't allow you to use the capabilities of native to iOS and Android devices. In Kotlin, we don't need to introduce any new programming language to the codebase. It is easy to make our Android app work on iOS devices without changing much in code. The major advantage of using Kotlin multi-platform is that we can write the code once and use it on both mobile platforms, that are Android and iOS. Next is support and community. Kotlin is pretty famous in many companies and organizations. Also, after Google's statement of Kotlin as an official language for Android, many companies are opting this language and a huge amount of users started working on this language, which means there is a huge community support for the Kotlin language. The developers who are already familiar with Java can easily switch to Kotlin as it is fully interoperable with it and easy to learn. So the Java community also adds up to the Kotlin's community. Now let's have a look at some applications that are built using Kotlin multi-platform. This includes Netflix, Autodesk, VMware, Trello, Philips, IceRock. So let's start with Netflix. Netflix, the popular OTT platform, has rebuilt the current user interface player in the Netflix Android application using Kotlin. Next is Autodesk. Autodesk is a multinational software corporation. Kotlin works well with iOS and Android without any Java native interface, which is a major reason for the company to opt Kotlin multi-platform. Next is VMware. VMware is an American cloud computing and virtualization technology company. The VMware development team wanted a cross-platform strategy for mobile applications. Then the Kotlin multi-platform was selected. And now it is the default go-to framework of choice for VMware. Next is Trello. Trello is a project management application. The Android application of Trello is built using Kotlin. Trello uses Kotlin because of its interoperability with Java. Next is Philips. Philips is a popular multinational corporation and we all have heard about this company. In Philips, Kotlin multi-platform proved to be a faster at implementing the new features and also to get more interaction in the team between Android and iOS developers. The last one is IceRock. IceRock is an outsourced company that provides mobile and backend solutions for various industries and market segments. It uses Kotlin Multiplatform Mobile to create applications for its clients. Apart from these, there are some more applications and companies that have opted the Kotlin Multiplatform. And with that, we have come to the end of this video. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. I hope it really helped you all. Thanks for watching, stay safe and keep learning.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.